What's up guys, today I'm showing you guys how to make these free Lego Among Us characters. And yeah, so I made black, white and red. And yeah, definitely be making more colours in the future, definitely making more Among Us stuff. But anyway, today I'm doing a tutorial on them. So they're all very simple, all of them almost the same. Like I've got this guy with studs in the top, I've got this guy with like, don't know if you can really see that, but he's got, yeah, you can see there. It's got two 1x4s, and then he's got two 1x2s, 2x2s. So yeah, quick question: who do you guys think is imposter out of these three? Do you think it's red? Do you think it's black? Or do you think it's white? Let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, time for the tutorial. These are the pieces you'll need for the first part. You'll need a 2x2 brick in whatever colour. You need two 1x2s, 1x2 bricks in whatever colour you want, two 1x plates. There's weird stuff in this one. It's my dust. And a 2x2 plate. Yeah. Anyway, the tutorial is very, very simple. First, grab your two 1x2 plates and put them two studs apart. Now, put some 1x2 bricks on top for the legs. Now, you grab this 2x2 brick and this 2x2 plate, put that in the middle and slap that on right there. That is the first part of our Among Us character complete. Do not disassemble them like I did right there. And yeah, that's the first part. This next part, for this next part, you'll need two 1x2 bricks in whatever colour that your character is going to be, and one with two studs on the side. And then you'll need a 1x2 brick and grate, and I've got one with like this indent in the back. Couldn't find a normal one. And then you also need a 2x4 brick. Awesome. First, it's very simple. Just grab this 2x4 brick. Get this bit. This is going to be like a screen at the front. Grab this piece. Make it face backwards. And place that on the back just like that. So the studs, the shadow of my phone is like there, but you guys can see the studs there. Awesome. And then just put these on the side. That's the second part. I'm making these like multiple like small parts. Yeah, we've got this so far. And I put them together like this, and it's kind of coming together. Next, we're gonna do this next part. You will need a 2x2 plate, multiple 2x2 plates. And then two 2x2 jumper plates, and then a 2x4 plate like this. And then you're just gonna put them together just like this, and then put these on the top like this. That's the top bit. Put that like that. We're almost done, guys. Almost done. We just need this last part, which is very, very self-explanatory. It's just a 4x4 plate with tails on the top covering it. And then when we connect them, it should be like this. So it's those two bits right there. Those go in. And there you go. There's your Among Us characters. And yeah, that's tutorial on how to build Lego Among Us characters. It's a little later on I'm uploading this, but anyway, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay awesome. Have a great day tomorrow, because it's very late. I'm uploading this, and yeah, bye guys.